Okay, we're recording. Okay. Yeah! I'm coming. Okay. Whoa, hey. We haven't even started yet. Ow. You're a Jew. Whoa! You just start shooting, you don't do that, mate. Okay. Okay, I guess we're starting. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh God. Ah! Up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, crap. What? Nice. Right up Main Street.
That thing hurts.
Yeah, it does.
Dude, your machine gun is like nothing compared to that.
Oh shit. My pistol shoots about 200 my pistol shoots around 300.
Well, that makes sense.
It's 200 something FPS higher than that. Oh no, it's 100 FPS higher than that. Oh yeah. Thank God for knee pads.
Huh?
Thank God for knee pads.
Yeah. Ah.
Haha.
Randy. Ah. Wanna trade?
No. I've already been shot with my own pistol once.
The pistol's pretty evil.
Yeah. And it's in black. No. Dude, you could reach me from back there.
I know.
You want to
That
train?
pistol can reach me from back there too.
Dude, that gun could reach you for...
Even though once it gets over there, it's not that powerful anymore.
Yeah.
Ah.
My pistol hurts, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Right in the butt.
Right up the ass.
Right in the air.
Right up Main Street.
No, not up Main Street, just by it.
Right through it.
It's like a drive.
It's like a drive-by.
How about this? We switch sides.
Okay. I found a Nerf dart, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Probably fired from the mega cannon that we made.
What?
Yeah, we made a propane-based Nerf cannon.
Nice. HPA Nerf gun.
Yep.
Do you want to trade guns, or
Sure.
why not? Yeah.
Yo.
Oh, my camera's actually holding up pretty well. You shot at it quite a few times. Oh my god.
So much lighter.
Oh my god! This thing's freaking heavy.
I can work with this.
Yeah. I want to keep my battery as much as I can in the gearbox, so. Okay. I'll head over to the other side then.
You know you did bring your charger too.
What?
You did bring your charger.
Yeah, I did, so. Whatever. Let's see, I got. Dude, that was right past me! Oh! Dude, you're hitting me! Yeah, we're shooting. Where is he? I don't even know where he is. Oh. I heard your BVs rattling.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's hot outside.
Well, maybe it's because you're wearing that thing.
This thing.
Yep.
Let me see it. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, Tom. Come on.
It's on safety. I thought you were gonna...
I wonder, let's see how much impact the vest has.
Wait, on the vest?
You feel anything?
Just a little tap.
Crap, dude. That's
Yeah.
very skilled. What about your shoes?
No, not my shoe.
Yeah, I'm not that mean. So that thing works pretty well.
Did I hit you at all?
Yes. From very far away.
Dude, you were over there. You were over there.
Right here.
No.
Like over there.
Yeah. Stop wasting my pistol ammo.
Net shot.
I have full auto.
So do I.
Shit.
Rock.
You wasted the gas, nice. Just leave it here. Here's your AUG back. I like this gun.
Thank you. I have both guns now.
Well, give me mine back.
Ah. Make sure that you only are on our property, okay? I know.
Yep. Wherever your dad is.
Yeah, where are you?
Oh, I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. We've only stayed in this, like, little area. Yep.
Yeah, it's really hard.
Justin tried to ambush me,
Yeah.
but that didn't really work.
Yeah, because his pistol's a monster. Really accurate, hurts like a motherfucker, and it shoots pretty far. He shot me right in the ass, and it still hurts. And that was like 15 minutes ago.
Right up Main Street.
Have fun. I gotta go work on this.
Have fun.
Bye. Nah.
Nah. We're like, nah.
This table could work.
For what? Protection?
No, I meant for your computer, but I don't even know why it's out here. It looks like they're using it to paint stuff anyway, so.
Okay. Why'd you
Honestly?
why'd you do you?
What?
Why is this, wait, what the fuck is this?
Dude, to be honest, it's too hot right now. You wanna just do this later when it's like after dinner? Because it's night game.
We could just take off all the...
I really do think we should wait until nighttime though.
I think you're just out of shape.
I am. I haven't had a PE class in a while.
Well, time to get you back into shape. What the hell did you do?
I closed your backpack.
Why?
I did.
How the hell do you open it now? Oh, there we go. There's that for you. And there's nothing in it, so it's not going to shoot.
Hey, you want to play Russian roulette with a semi-auto?
Oh, like,
Guaranteed,
yeah,
everyone wins, you know?
everybody dies.
Everyone wins.
What are you talking about? There, I'll stop recording.